So good morning students, how are you? So okay, today we are starting our Discovering India, okay, first lesson in the subject of GK, okay. So today we'll be discussing about what? Indian superlatives, okay. So you know that the ईस्ट ऑफ वर्ल्ड है ना, जहां से सूरज निकलता है, तो कौन सा है? जापान, ओके. एंड व्हाट? ब्राइटेस्ट स्टार. तो ये सब क्या है? सुपरलेटिव्स, ओके. सो टुडे वी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट व्हाट? इंडियन सुपरलेटिव्स, ओके. तो इंडिया में ऐसे कौन से सुपरलेटिव्स है उसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. सो सी हियर हाईएस्ट डैम, ओके. सो डैम आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे रिवर या कैनल के ऊपर जो डैम्स बनते हैं, ठीक है. सो हाईएस्ट डैम, सो व्हिच वन दे? तेहरी डैम, ओके. द डैम नेम इज तेहरी डैम. नेक्स्ट, लार्जेस्ट लेक. सो इन प्रीवियस लेसन वी सीन अबाउट दैट. सो व्हिच इज द लार्जेस्ट लेक? उलर लेक. नेक्स्ट, लार्जेस्ट डोम. डोम यानी क्या होती है? ऐसी गोल ऐसी होता है, ठीक है. सो लार्जेस्ट लेक, सो व्हिच वन नेम इज? गोल गुमज, ओके. गोल गुमज. Then longest river. So all of you know that the one of the holy river है ना, पवित्र river जो है गंगा, है ना, गंगा river. So which one then? Longest river गंगा. Next, all weather highest altitude breeze. Okay. अब all weather highest altitude breeze यानी सबसे टॉपमोस्ट हाइट के ऊपर में जो हमेशा कंटिन्यूली क्या होता है कि चलते रहता है. There is a कनेक्टिविटी बिटवीन द डिफरेंट सिटीज, है ना. हाईएस्ट अल्टीट्यूड पे जो ये है ब्रीज, विच वन दे? कर्नल केवोंग रिंचेन शेतु, ओके. कर्नल केवोंग रिंचेन शेतु नेम इज दैट, ओके. सो नेक्स्ट, लॉन्गेस्ट ब्रीज. अब सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट ब्रीज कौन सा है? बांद्रा वर्ली सी लिंक, ओके. सो बांद्रा वर्ली सी लिंक. नेक्स्ट, हाईएस्ट पीक Kanchenjunga, okay. So in India, so you not confused with the Mount Everest. Mount Everest, it is a what? Highest peak of world, okay. But highest peak of India, Kanchenjunga, okay. Next, highest minar. You know that in the South States movie, all of you watching that, highest minar, Qutub Minar, okay. Next, highest statue. So highest statue, which one? Statue of Unity, okay. Statue of Unity means that the statue built on the honor of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in the states of Gujarat in Surat, okay. So repeat again. See that highest dam, Tehri Dam. Largest lake, Ular Lake. Largest dome, Gol Gumbaz. Longest river, Ganga. All weather highest altitude breeze, Kornal Chewog Rinchen Setu, okay. And longest breeze, Bandra Worli Sea Link, okay. Highest peak, Kanchenjunga. Highest minar, Qutub Minar. And highest statue, Statue of Unity, okay. So these are the Indian superlatives, okay. And note down on your book, okay. So okay, taking the next lesson, famous garden in India, okay. So all of you know the gardens. At our home also some small gardens, okay. In our city Gondia, Subhas Garden, okay. And number of gardens. So we are discussing about the famous garden in India, okay. So on the occasion of the 15th of August and 26th of January, सो राष्ट्रपति भवन में जो एक गार्डन है ना, या विंटर सीजन में जो गार्डन है वो क्या किया जाता है? ओपन किया जाता है, ठीक है. सो ओके, टुडे विल बी टेकिंग व्हाट? फेमस गार्डन इन इंडिया. सो लालबाग. सो लालबाग, द लालबाग की सिचुएटेड लोकेशन कहां पे? लालबाग की बेंगलुरु, ओके. लालबाग गार्डन इज इन बेंगलुरु. नेक्स्ट, मुगल गार्डन. सो मुगल गार्डन इट इज वेरी मच फेमस, okay, and it's where is situated? New Delhi, okay. Mughal garden in New Delhi. Next, hanging garden. in Mumbai. Okay, Hanging Garden in Mumbai. Then Mehtab Bagh in Agra. Okay. Next, Rao Jodha Deserts Rock Park. Okay. So where is situated? In Jodhpur. Next, Shalimar Bagh where is situated? In Srinagar. Then Vrindavan Garden in Mysore. Next, Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Garden in Kolkata. Okay, so these are the famous garden in India. Okay, the garden, name of garden and where are situated. Okay, so repeat again. See here, Lal Bagh where? Bengaluru. Mughal Garden, New Delhi. Hanging Garden, Mumbai. Mehtab Bagh, Agra. Next, Rao Jodha Deserts Rock Park in Jodhpur. Shalimar Bagh, Srinagar. Vrindavan Garden, Mysore. Next, Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Garden in Kolkata. Okay, so these are about what? Famous garden in India. Okay, so note down it. So now taking about what? The land of king. Okay, the land of king, it's a name given to states of Rajasthan. Okay, so you know that Rajasthan, see the page number 12 at your book. Okay, 7th lesson, the land of the kings. Okay, so see here, Rajasthan is the largest state of India in area. Okay, so Rajasthan, it is the largest state of India in area. Okay, next one is Madhya Pradesh and third one is Maharashtra state. Okay, so it's a very popular for its forts and palaces. Okay, so राजस्थान में क्या है कि बहुत बड़े बड़े किले हैं, है ना, जो इसके पहले देखे थे अपन ने, है ना, एंड पैलेसेस, बहुत बड़े राजवाड़े हैं, ठीक है, दरबार है. So here is what some clue is given, and on the basis of we have to identify that. Okay, so see here, first one, it is the capital and largest city of Rajasthan. Okay, so we are discussing Jaipur. Okay, Jaipur, it is the capital city of Rajasthan state. Okay, so see here, it is the capital and largest city of Rajasthan. It was founded on 18th of November 1727 by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh. Okay, so which one is, who one is found? Maharaja Savai Jai Singh. It is also known as the Pink City of India. And what is the superlative? Pink City of India. So which one? Jaipur. And who founded? Maharaja Savai Jai Singh founded the Jaipur city. Okay. So Hawa Mahal, Nahargarh Fort, Albert Hall Museum and Jantar Mantar are some of the famous places. Okay. So ये सब चीजें कहाँ देखने मिलेंगी आपको? So when you are visiting to Jaipur, okay, so you will looking or watching or spotting these different features of that particular city. So which one is the Pink City? Jaipur. Who founded? Raja Savai Jai Singh is founded by. Okay, see the next. It is the largest city of Rajasthan and surrounded by Arauli Hill. Okay, so in the geography you will studying about what Arauli Hills. Okay, so it is famous for the Sufi Sant Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. Okay, the name of Sant is Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. Okay, and Pushkar is about 11 kilometers from here. So which one is Ajmer? Okay, so Ajmer आपने नाम सुना होगा. Ajmer, it is the famous for the Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti की दरगाह है वहाँ पे, ठीक है, and he is the one of the saint in that particular time, and many Hindus and Muslims are visiting to that particular pilgrimage. Okay, so see the next one. The second largest city of Rajasthan and it's also known as a blue city. Why blue city? Because due to the blue painted houses around the Mehergarh fort, है ना. तो जो भी हाउसेस वहां पे हैं वो सब किससे हैं कि ब्लू कलर में पेंटेड है. सो विच वन इज जोधपुर. ओके, सो इट्स व्हाट जोधपुर. नेक्स्ट, one of the city is famous for Kota. Okay, Kota. So Kota in Rajasthan states. Okay, next one is Bikaner. Sorry, Udaipur. Okay, Udaipur, the city of lakes. Okay, अब जो उदयपुर सिटी है, सिटी ऑफ लेक्स करके फेमस है. ठीक है. Why the city is also known as the city of lakes, and it was founded by महाराणा उदय सिंह. ओके, उदयपुर किसने स्टैब्लिश किया था? महाराणा उदय सिंह. एंड इट्स आल्सो नोन एज व्हाट विनाइस ऑफ द ईस्ट. ओके, है ना, वी आर इन द ईस्टर्न साइड ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर, so it's a Venice of east. Why? The number of lakes are present there. Okay, next, golden city. Okay, and golden city is which one is Jaisalmer. Okay, Jaisalmer in Rajasthan, and it's known as golden city, and it's founded by Maharwal Jaisal Singh. Okay, so Jaisalmer and Jaisalmer. Okay, so it is founded by Maharwal Jaisal Singh. Okay, and it's dedicated to 16th Tirthakar Shantinath. Okay, and 23rd Tirthakar Parshav. Okay, so in the next lesson we will taking about what the first woman in India. Okay, so still you have to write it. Okay, so okay, next taking that the first woman in India. Okay, the first woman in India, है ना. So we are studying the women are who contributing the firstly in Indians achievements. Okay, so who won them? Okay, so see here, the first Indian woman to fly an aircraft. Okay, so nowadays you are looking what numbers of females pilots. Okay, so now who is what? See the picture, page number 14, lesson number 8. Okay, the first woman in India, the first Indian woman to fly an aircraft. Okay, so who won them? Sarla Thakral. Okay, the name of lady is Sarla Thakral. Next, the India's first woman railway driver. Okay, you are going with what railway? So now railway woman driver is Surekha Yadav. Okay, next, see the picture, third one lady is there. First woman IPS officer in India. Okay, Kiran Bedi. She is a very renowned personality in India. Okay, so and first woman president of India, Pratibha Tai Patil. Okay, first woman president of India, Pratibha Tai Patil. And very much famous personality again, first woman prime minister of India, Indira Gandhi. Next, first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest. Okay, जो Mount Everest के ऊपर में जिन्होंने अचीव किया था, है ना, अचीवमेंट जो जिनकी थी माउंट एवरेस्ट पीक के ऊपर पहुंचने की, हुएन बछेंद्री पाल. ओके, नेक्स्ट, द फर्स्ट वुमेन सरपंच इन इंडिया. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट वुमेन सरपंच इन इंडिया, छावी रावत, बिलोंग्स टू द राजस्थान स्टेट. ओके, नेक्स्ट, first Indian woman to sky to the South Pole. Okay, so our Earth having North Pole and South Pole. So in the South Pole or at the South Pole, the one of the lady is going to or visiting that. Okay, so is Reena Kaushal Dharma Shaktu. Okay, the name of lady is Reena Kaushal Dharma Shaktu. Next, first Indian actress. Okay, so nowadays we are looking number of actress, है ना, करीना कपूर, तो रानी मुखर्जी, काजोल, है number of. Okay, So what? First Indian actress in Indian movies, Durga Bai Kamath. Okay. And next one is last, the first Indian woman astronaut. Astronaut means the person who are visiting to the space. Okay. है ना, जो शटल कॉक और एरोप्लेन से जो जाने वाले जो है ना, दूसरे ग्रह में जाने वाले जो लोग हैं ना, दिस इज लाइक सुनीता विलियम्स, कल्पना चावला. So who one is the first lady? Kalpana Chawla. Okay, so these are about what? The first woman in India. Okay, so this is our completely Discover India, and 7th lesson will be skipped in exam. Okay, so note down it. Okay.